Hey jewelry lovers! Welcome back to JewelryMeTV, where elegance meets affordability. Right now, I've got something that's going to blow your mind. Feast your eyes on this GRA certified moissanite ring, beautifully set in high-quality sterling silver. It's bold, it's brilliant, and yes, it tests positive as a diamond on a diamond tester. That's the beauty of moissanite. It gives you that flawless fire and sparkle of a natural diamond, but at a fraction of the price. And with this ring, you're getting lab-tested quality, backed by official GRA certification, so you know it's the real deal. Let's talk details. Set in durable, tarnish-resistant sterling silver. Features a premium moissanite stone that sparkles like crazy under any light. Tests positive as a diamond, it even fools the tester. Comes with GRA certification, so you've got proof of its quality and brilliance. And yes, it's perfect for engagements, anniversaries, or just treating yourself to a little luxury. It's everything you love about diamonds, without the sky-high price tag. Shipping? Fast. Shine? Guaranteed. Price? Unbeatable. Ready to grab yours? Just scan the QR code on your screen or check out now at www.JewelryMeTV.com. But don't wait, these are selling fast, and when they're gone, they're gone. This is your moment to shine, and this ring? It's the one.